Creating AI videos often means switching between multiple tools, generating short clips, rewriting prompts, and struggling to keep everything consistent. What if you could generate, extend, and edit your AI videos in one place? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use CapCut Web's AI video extender with Dreamina Seedance 2.5 to create longer videos, keep characters and style consistent, organize your assets, make targeted edits, and finish everything inside one workflow. Let's get started. Open CapCut Web and click Video Studio. From here, choose Dreamina Seedance 2.5. This is CapCut Web's latest AI video workflow, combining AI generation and editing in one workspace. Now enter a detailed prompt describing the video you want to create. For this example, a young professional walks into a modern cafe after a stressful morning. A barista serves premium coffee. After the first sip, the mood changes, and the character leaves energized. Cinematic lighting, warm morning sunlight, realistic camera movement, and the coffee product naturally featured throughout the story. The more detailed your prompt, the better the results. Next, upload your reference assets. These can include product images, character photos, brand logos, mood boards, previous scenes, or style references. Seedance 2.5 supports up to 50 reference assets, giving the AI much more context. Instead of treating every scene as a separate request, it keeps your characters, products, environments, and branding consistent throughout the project. This is especially useful for longer videos and marketing campaigns. After a short wait, Seedance creates your first video. Notice how the product, lighting, composition, and overall style closely match your prompt and reference images. Seedance 2.5 can also generate native 30-second videos, making it much easier to create complete scenes. If your story needs to be longer, simply extend the video while maintaining the same visual style and characters. As your project grows, staying organized becomes important. Infinite Canvas keeps your script, reference images, generated videos, ideas, and edits together in one connected workspace. Everything stays organized, making larger creative projects much easier to manage. If you create content for the same brand regularly, save time with custom skills. Click Create Custom Skill, give it a name, and save details such as brand assets, character appearance, product information, preferred visual style, story structure, and creative instructions. The next time you start a project, simply load your custom skill instead of rebuilding everything from scratch. Need to change only one part of your video? Simply select the section you want to edit. For example, highlight the scene between 10 and 15 seconds. Then enter a new instruction. Replace the cafe background with a luxury rooftop restaurant. Generate again. Only that selected section is updated, while the rest of the video remains unchanged. You can also replace products, update branding, modify text, or change specific visual elements without affecting the rest of the clip. Once you're satisfied with the generated video, move it directly into the CapCut timeline. Add subtitles, background music, sound effects, transitions, and your logo. CapCut Web also includes AI voices, digital avatars, music tracks, and subtitle styles, allowing you to complete your entire project without switching to another editor. Now imagine you only have one product image. With Seedance 2.5, you can create a cinematic commercial, a lifestyle advertisement, a vertical social media reel, a holiday promotion, and a premium brand version. Because your references and custom skills stay connected, every version maintains a consistent visual identity. Finally, bring everything into the CapCut editor, add captions and music, and export optimized versions for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or any other platform. Instead of creating just one video, you're building an entire content campaign from a single asset. And that's the complete workflow for creating AI videos with Dreamina Seedance 2.5 inside CapCut Web. If you'd like to try it yourself, check out the CapCut Web link in the description and explore Video Studio with Dreamina Seedance 2.5. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more AI tutorials, and let me know in the comments what you'll create first with Seedance 2.5. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.